Making money with Travelpayouts affiliate program is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Temu app. Search here Travelpayouts affiliate program. Then click to open its site. After getting into the site, click to join us. Enter your email and password, then click to create an account. Choose the other option in how you heard about Travel Payout, then click to submit. Then choose I don't have a block or site yet option. Now tap on Create a link. To be able to create a link, you have to connect to programs. So click on Programs from the dashboard, see all program here. Tap to see the details of booking.com. Now click on Connect to Program. Now tap to create a program and choose the activity you want to monetize as Content Creations. Add all the relevant channels, check the website checkbox and social media checkbox. Enter the URL of your social media channel like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Then click on Next. If it didn't show you the Next button, uncheck the website block and now tap on Next. Select your language, average monthly viewers, target countries, then tap on Next. Now name your project and tap to save the project. Once you created the project successfully, click to go back to Manage Connections. Now as you can see, the program doesn't allow your brand promotion method or channels. Then check out all the allowed types of promotions. Where you can see the project and traffic type, here you can see what's allowed and what is not. Now tap to create a link. After creating the program and connecting with it, you need to create a link and share it with audiences to earn money.